Come on, last one, let's go. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Emmanuel and welcome back. Episode 3. We're in episode 3, right? Today we're gonna be reviewing. I have a big announcement for you guys. So make sure you stay through the whole video. No skipping, just watch it. It's gonna be good, right? So, the last episode, you guys have voted the Warmage Hetzer. Let's do this. Sit back, relax, put on your earphones, enjoy my video, enjoy the music. Let's go. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, huh? It's pretty cool. So here's the big announcement. This dude right here that we just built, let's give him a name. Today you shall be called Cole, because you live in a cold world and you like to tell cold jokes. So in February, this guy right here, oops, this is an archive card, right? We're gonna talk about it later. Okay, in February, I'm gonna do an Instagram exclusive featuring our guy right here, Cole, and his journey in this planet, in this world that I've created. Make sure you follow me at em.hobbitv. Por favor, gracias. Now it's time to do the... We are going to take a quick look at this dude right here, the next joint. It is awesome. You can actually move it forward. Did I mention it comes with the 2 headgears too? I like what they have done with the shoulder pads, as well as the kneecap, because usually they would give you a separate piece, which can be kind of annoying. But my favorite part about this governor is probably the ankle joint. You can actually move it much better now. And here's the thing, guys, this model is about 3 inches or 76 centimeter with 28 articulation points. It means you can make a lot of poses with it. I like the holsters for the guns. It's pretty interesting. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See ya.